Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. I just want to take the time to tell you thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all my beautiful subbies. Because of you, I have reached my first 100 subscribers. God bless you all. On today's menu, we have oxtail, gungo peas and rice, stir-fry veg, steamed broccoli and green beans. And see the ingredients them that we shall be using today. Okay, first I'm going to start with my gungo peas. I'm going to add some crushed garlic, and I open a can of coconut milk, and what I'm going to be doing is draining the coconut water to cook with the peas. Set the cream part aside so we can add it in later when we season the pot. So cover him down and make him go and cook for about 45 minutes, then we'll rally back. Now we're gonna sort out with oxtail. I very busy, so it's a 1-2 thing me I look, to be honest. So I'm going to fling her in at the pressure cooker, and let the church say thank you Jesus for pressure cooker. Thank you Jesus. Yeah, so we'll pour some hot water in and don't full her up, right? Mix up the oxtail them, cover her, and give her about 30 minutes. Start the timer when the pressure cooker starts whistling. Okay, let's check back pan gungo, check if she cook. Alright, yeah, them two here cook. But what if these are the two blessed and highly favored ones? So we are gonna check a few more. Yeah, them almost arrive. So, it gonna lead, it a go on. So just add a little more water and make it go on easy itself. And we'll go check pan oxtail. So it's been about 32 minutes to be exact. Make us see if you cook. You cook, my friend. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it to a different pot where we are going to, nice it up by adding a few more niceness. And make it cook some more till it's extra soft and almost falling off the bone. Throughout everything, every piece, don't even left back, not even one little piece in there, not even one. Okay, add some garlic. Onion. Remember the seasoning when we did blend up the other day for the fish? So yeah, just add some of that because I still have that. So I'm adding about 2 spoonfuls. Add some salt. Stir him up. And just make him go and cook. Now back to ricey. So now we're going to add the creamy part of the coconut milk. Some thyme, some scallion or green onion as they call it over here. Some salt, pimento, and about 2 spoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons. Cover it for about 5 minutes and bring it to a boil. Okay, now that it boil up, now let's add our nice, clean, washed rice. Stir it up and cover it back to cook. Now let's check back on our lovely oxtail. They're all bubbling away. Go the oxtail, bubble, my friend, bubble. Okay, so we're going to prepare some carrots to add to the oxtail pot. You don't have to put this in there if you don't want to, but I do. Okay, I could check pan the rice again before, we're gonna dash in the carrot in the oxtail. So yeah, rice here come, looking good. Stir them up. Good job, rice. You're doing a good job. And just cover him back down. And let's rock with oxy. Hey oxtail, wagwan. Come make a nice you up some more. Add about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Spread the love. One tablespoon sugar. We are going to spread the love again. Spread the love, spread the love, spread the love and niceness. Spread it. We're laying hands on every one of them. Lay hands, lay hands. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're going to add the carrot and the butter bean. Combine everything. Add some black pepper. Pimento powder. Guys, remember that you're going to be tasting as you go along, so you're going to see what it lacks and then you add some, right? And then add some dry thyme. Combine everything. And then cover it for about 10 minutes. So while oxtail is simmering, let's prepare the veggies for our stir fry. So I'm gonna cut up some cabbage. It's about a quarter of a cabbage. It's not even half. One carrot, and I'm gonna cut it into strips. And 1 pack of pak chow. Now for the pak chow, please be sure to pull it apart and wash them leaf by leaf, every single one, with salt and water. Oxtail, you are looking so good. Yes. Yes. Okay, stir fry time. So in my pot with the tupsa oil, I'm going to add my chopped veggies. Now, no, no, me not like use a lot of oil, right? But I'm going to add a little more oil. I just don't think, whole heap of oil is necessary. Add the cabbage and carrots. Now you guys don't have to do it this way where you fry up the sweet pepper and the onions before. I love to do it that way though, because trust me, the flavors, they just pop out. It really just make it taste so much better than if you just cut up everything and just dash it in the pot, So yeah, at this point now, turn up the fire on high, and then when you add the pak chow, you just keep stirring. Add some salt, and then just keep stirring and stirring. Now why you turn up the fire is because if you leave it on low, this thing is gonna spring water, like seriously. So turn it up and then stir, keep stirring. Do this for about 2 minutes. Keep the fire on high and do this for about 2 minutes. You don't want it to be springing water and all of that. So see, not no whole heap of water and no whole heap of oil or nothing like that no into the pot. So yeah, just stir, and then you're gonna turn off the fire, and then just leave it. And then your veggies are going to be crunchy, not tough, crunchy, but definitely not soggy. Beautiful. And here we are, all done. My beautiful subbies, uno look here. Uno come here and look good now. Come look good now, please. Now uno tell me said this isn't Sunday dinner that offers you a good nice up belly. Comment down below and tell me what you guys had for Sunday dinner yesterday. Guys, this is absolutely one of my favorite meal of all time. Hands down, I love me some oxtail without apology. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share. Make me say that again. Share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you, my beautiful subbies.